welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul. It's about time, right? I've been wanting to do a beauty haul for this channel ever since I started it. And usually when I go to Sephora, I don't really buy anything. And when I do buy something, it's just like cheap. But I thought I've been wanting some stuff, and I thought I'd reward myself because it's my last year of college and eventually I'll be graduating. So I thought I would reward myself a little bit, just a little bit, and let's see what's inside, shall we? And some of these stuff is most of the stuff that I've been like obsessing with recently, or for a long time. So let's get into it, shall we? Okay. Alright, the first thing we have is this little bad boy. Pretty Things in Fairy Wings brush set. I've been obsessing with this recently. I've seen it like every time I go on Sephora's website or in Sephora. So I got this bad boy. I love Tarte, and I did get to feel the brushes in the store, and they're so soft, and I can't wait to try them. Let's take them out of the box so we can see what they look like. I mean, you get the ideal on the box, but I like to take them out anyway, so that way I can put them up in a minute. And look how pretty it is. Look at that. It's so pretty. I'll have to clean them before I use them, obviously. So beautiful. I love it. I never wonder why they put these in like separate packages. So anyways, I love the color because I love pink and I love purple, and it definitely is super cute, and I love it. So cute. Let's see, I definitely love it. Yes, super pretty, super pretty. And I love the little stars at the end of the brushes. Super cute. I can't wait to use them. Alright, that's item number one. This trash down here. I love the box too. Super pretty. Alright. Item number two. Now, I haven't really heard about this one yet. It's the Glamglow INSTAMUD. It's a 60-second Pore-Refining treatment. And I've seen it when I went into the store, and it looks kind of interesting, and it gives you smooth, soft, even skin. I think I'll love to try it, and I love masks, and anything that helps my face and my pores is a must. So I can't wait to try it. I love Glamglow anyways, so, and I love the box. It's super cute. It's super cute. I'm not like a big yellow fan, but like it's cute. Alright, and next we got a palette, you guys. I needed some palettes because you guys, oh gosh, I always love palettes, but like some of them are so expensive. And I will link everything down below that I mentioned in this video, so you guys can go check them out if you want to buy them. I love the design of it. It's so pretty. I guess I'm obsessed with stars because it got the stars now and the stars on the other package. Alright, here we go. Look at all the colors, you guys. Oh, sorry, the mirror, my bad. I'm not very good at showing you guys the colors without reflecting the thing, but it's so pretty. The thing came off so you can actually see the colors now. It's so pretty. I've never had actually a Tarte one, so this is my first Tarte palette, and I'm super excited. I can't wait to try it. It's Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust eyeshadow palette, and I love the colors. I'm super excited, you guys. Alright, you may have seen this in WhatKarenLoves blog. Some of the things I'm obsessed with in Sephora are just enduringly love. This is the Dream Glow Kit. And just look at the pretty colors. If I can get the little plastic thing off, you guys. Okay, look at it. Look at it. It's so pretty. So pretty. Alright, let's see if I can do one. I like the unicorn one. Look at the unicorn. It's so pretty. Alright, let's see. Which one other one should we do? Let's do Magic. Kind of like that one too. Look at that. That's so pretty. I would do it on my wrist, but I don't know if it'll stand out as much. Here, I'll do it on my tattoo. I don't know if you can see it, but like it's so pretty. Alright, I'm going to try this one right here. Alright. Kind of looks, is so pretty. Super shiny. Super sparkly. I love it. Love it. I love the look of it too. It's so pretty. I definitely been wanting some more highlighting stuff. I mean, I love my diamond one, but I definitely want, I love like highlighting and like all that stuff. Alright, my next item that I bought is Better Than Sex Too Faced Mascara. I've been wanting to try this little bad boy, and I can't wait to try it. So I got the little one because, you know, I'm gonna try it and see if I like it first before I get like a bigger one. But this is the bottle and it's super cute. I love it so much. Let's see if we can get like a look at the bristles. Oh yes, I love the bristles. They look like they'll be easy to apply because sometimes things, I'm super blind sometimes when I do my makeup, and anything that helps apply my makeup, a good thing. Okay, well I got this one on points and then buy it, but I got the POREfessional Pore Primer, and I'm super excited to try it because I've been wanting to try it, but kind of been nervous if I want to try it or if I don't want to try it. I don't know. So I definitely got it, and I can't wait to try it because pores and makeup, you know, they just like each other, I guess. But anyways, that is all I have you guys today for the Sephora haul. I hope you guys enjoy. First of all, before I get on with the video, I just gotta show you this bag that I got from Forever 21. I know this has nothing to do with Sephora, but can we just talk about it though? It's so cute. Look at the chain. It's so cute. But anyways, I've been wanting a backpack for like ever. I've never been able to find one that's cheap. I don't want to get like Coach or like Michael's or whatever name brand stuff. Anyways, so I really liked this and thought it was cute, and my purse, the zipper part kind of like broke and it was hard getting zipped up here lately, so I thought why not, let's see if we can find it, and that actually stood out to me and I thought it was really cute. I like it. But anyways, that is all I have you guys say for the Sephora haul. Hope you guys enjoy. Let me know down below what's of these items of your favorite. Have you tried these? Or what are some of your favorite things? And I will link everything down below that I've talked about in this video. Even the bag if you want. If I can find it. I don't know if it's on the site. But the favorite things I'm excited to really try is definitely the brushes and the Glamglow mask and almost everything really. I'm really excited for everything, so can't wait to try it all. I'm obsessed. I definitely spent a little bit too much, but why does it every time you go to Sephora you can spend $100 on just 2 items? It's so crazy to me, but it's okay. I've never really went in there and bought a lot of stuff, and I thought, hey, let's reward myself. I'm getting ready to graduate eventually soon. I actually in September will be my last course, and that ends in October, and then December I think is my estimated graduation month, I'm pretty sure. So it is definitely getting close, so I thought I'd reward myself a little bit, just a little bit, because why not, you know, I never get to do it very much, so yeah. So anyways, that is all I have you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, go ahead and check out all the stuff down below in the description below, because the blog and all this stuff down below, hopefully a new blog post will be coming soon, but you can check out the latest one down below. I'll just leave the link to the website down below, but I'll probably just put the link to the latest vlog down there, so check it out. I definitely will be doing another one eventually. I'm not sure what to do it about, but we'll see. Maybe I can do something related to this stuff, maybe. I don't know. Let me know down below what stuff you'd like to see for the blog and this website and this channel, and because I know I have some DIYs I like to do. but I haven't been able to like go to like a craft store and get any of this stuff yet. So I'm hoping soon I can do that. Last 2 days has been really tough because a car hasn't been here, and then yesterday I was able to go to the mall, so that was pretty exciting. I had a little fun, as you can see. But anyways, before I talk on any longer, let me know down below what other stuff you'd like for me to try and maybe get. I have some other stuff I'd love to get, eventually, of course. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys soon. And with further ado, XOXO. That's all, folks. Bye. Wait, that's not the outro. That's all. XOXO. Bye.